Hello YouTube, back with another unboxing. Yes, I did cop something again, but this time something quite special, something very different than my usual reviews because it's not a piece of fashion, or well, maybe in a way it's an accessory. It is quite fashionable though. It is in fact a guitar strap developed and designed by Brandon from the Anix in collaboration with Dispatch, a brand of very technical luggage. For those of you who don't know, the Anix is an American musical artist who is also known for being a big fan of technical apparel, especially Acronym and Nike Lab ACG. So for someone who is so into progressive design, it was only logical for him to get into something like this, because you can probably guess it's not a normal guitar strap. As he said in the promotional video for this piece, the guitar strap has been the same for decades. Being a guitarist myself, I can definitely confirm this. I mean, there's the leather strap and there's the nylon strap. I mean, there's different levels in quality, obviously, and different brands and maybe different pattern designs on the straps, but they're basically the same. I can't say there has been much difference in the utility of them. I mean, I have a leather strap that I have used for, I guess, 20 years now, maybe, because why would I ever buy another one? Because they're just the same. The only reason for me to buy a new one would be if it broke for some reason, or if something new came along, and that has happened now. So I'm going to open this box because, again, I have been waiting all day. Quite exciting. And there it is. See, it says Dispatch Design and Manufacturing Company. Made in the USA. It was also a very small batch. The first release, Brandon told me it was 40 pieces of each design, because there are 3 colorways. I went for the olive and black, but there was also a neon and black and a white and high-vis orange. I actually also really like the white and high-vis orange one, but that one was not made in biothane, which the other 2 were. The reason for that was that they weren't able to source white biothane for this. So to have the full experience of a new type of design for a guitar strap, I really needed to go for the biothane, because the white strap was just nylon, so I didn't really want to miss out on the different fabric. So I'm going to open this now. Oh, and with the strap also comes you can see this, a custom pick. It's really cool. Right. So here it is then. It also says Dispatch. Smells really new. Oh, I think I really like this biothane material. As you can see, it's very shiny. And then this part is nylon, I believe. So yeah, that's how the strap looks. This is the part where you can tighten it, as you can see. And there is a magnetic fit lock type of buckle that releases the strap, opens it up, which also gives you the opportunity to combine the different colorways, obviously, which is kind of cool. If I really like this and the white one does come out in biothane, I might just cop that one too. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this Ah, look, that's how this works. All right, there's also some branding. The strap here, as you can see, dispatch. Looks really nice. I like the color. I like this part. It feels very sturdy. It's good quality. I like how the buckle feels. Feels very strong. Doesn't feel like it's something that will break very quickly because after using this all the time. Really feels like quality materials. It's for the biothane. So the thing is that the biothane doesn't slide as much on your shoulder as nylon would, and that this is a very strong and durable material. So yeah, it looks really nice, and I'm gonna try it with my guitar on because, well, that's what it's meant for.
This is the night when the world crashes down. Nowhere to hide, the evidence is all around. I told you I won't ever let you go. I'm waiting here, I'm stitched into your soul.
So that was my short review of the new Anix and Dispatch collaboration guitar strap. I hope you like it. After the last video, I passed the 500 subs, so thank you guys so much for that, and all the comments and questions, and I really love to be in contact with you guys, and it's really motivating to see that you actually like what I'm trying to do here. So I guess I'll go on with it because I really enjoy making these videos too. When I hit the 1K, I will be doing another giveaway. So if you want to be around for that, you know what to do. And you'll see me in the next video because you'll be subscribed. And then if you have your notifications on, you will get a notification that the new video is, you can watch the new video. Exciting.